employee working in an MNC company and also simultaneously preparing for the bank exam. One mistake which I made before starting, the basic concepts are also covered. Time waste, like that. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you all about how am I preparing and what are the strategies I am following. Like, you all know that I'm an IT employee working in an MNC company and also simultaneously preparing for the bank exams. So I need to have a plan so that time won't get wasted, and also all the concepts, all the basic concepts are also covered. So one mistake which I made before starting preparing for the bank's exams, that I randomly took a concept from either reasoning, quant, English, or whatever the other sections, and I just went on doing the problems without knowing the basics. So it took me a lot of time, so it wasted my time. So again I made another strategy or plan. So I have listed down all the syllabus of reasoning and quant, and which I can find it in ADDA 247, which I have already provided a video named free resources and books for bank exams or SBI PO. You can find it in the I section. You can just go and check it out, like whatever the resources I am following for cracking the bank exams. So I have listed down all the syllabus under reasoning and quant. So based on the playlist present in the ADDA 247, I have written all these sections under reasoning and quant so that I can complete the basics of each of these sections or syllabus. So starting with reasoning, these are the 10 topics present in the playlist. So I'll give you the playlist of the ADDA 247 YouTube channel in the description below. You can just check it out, or you can follow any other YouTube channels. But please make sure that you first complete the basics and then go for the advanced level, so that there will be no time waste. Otherwise, it takes a lot of time to complete, to know the basics and all those stuff. Because I made a mistake, so I'm telling you so that you won't make a mistake again. So under reasoning, in the playlist in the ADDA 47, there are 10 sections, 10 topics, which are like equality, it has 6 videos, puzzles, it has 3 videos, order and ranking, it has 4 videos. So I'm going in the same order as it is in the playlist. You can go in any order, but make sure that you complete one topic. As for if you take order and ranking for if you want to complete it for the first row, then you can complete all the 4 videos. You shouldn't complete you listen one video of order and ranking and then you jump to the sitting arrangement. No, don't do like that. You need to complete all the 4 videos under order and ranking, then go to the other topic, so that you have covered all the basics of the order and ranking. Then you can practice the problems. Okay, and similarly, so totally in reasoning you have 45 videos or classes. So make a timetable such that you complete it in 1 month or 1.5 months. The quant is a vast subject. You have 23 topics, and under each topic you have 6 videos, 4 videos, 3 videos. So yeah, you need a lot of time to complete the quant section. So total 58 videos, or classes. So make a timetable such that you complete reasoning and quant in 1 or 1.5 months. Okay, so that all the basics are covered. The primary aim is to complete the basics so that you can proceed with the solving their problems, or you can just practice. So, and then go to the advanced level. This is only for the prelims. First you need to cross the prelims, then you can go for the mains, because prelims needs speed and accuracy. So speed and accuracy, you can just lift it up. So I'll make another video like how you can improve your speed and accuracy, mainly in quant, in maths. So yeah, so for reasoning and quant, I'll be providing the link in the description and the playlist link so that you can refer ADA 247, or you can refer any of the YouTube channels you like, or you can buy the study material, but make sure you learn the basics first. Okay, and for the English also there are many topics so I haven't written here, so I'm following English from ADA 247 itself, and all the other three like banking, static, and CA, I have shared those resources in the video. You can check it out. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. So yeah, that's it. So make sure practice well. Hard work beats talent, so you need to work hard. I wanted to share with you so that you don't waste time as I did. Also, if you do not know what are the upcoming bank exams, please do check out the I section, or I'll provide the link in the description where I have made a video consisting of the upcoming bank exams, so that you can prepare according to those, so that you can plan your timetable. This is a reasoning and quant. So just wanted to say this, and thank you. Do subscribe, and also wanted to tell you that many of are watching the videos but still they are not subscribing. Please do subscribe my channel and help me in growing my channel. Yeah, keep supporting and have a good day.